Do you love sports? Are you interested in helping athletes prevent and recover from injuries? Do you like working with people? Then you may want to flex your skills as an athletic therapist. Athletic therapists are experts at injury assessment and rehabilitation. They provide treatment and reconditioning of musculoskeletal problems for active individuals. Athletic therapists also work on prevention, helping athletes avoid strains and injuries by evaluating their physical abilities and recommending adjustments to conditioning exercises, equipment selection, and workout routines. To help put this career through its paces, we spoke to an athletic therapist working in Alberta.
Hi, my name is Leanne, and I'm an athletic therapist. An athletic therapist is somebody who sees patients or people after an injury to assess where they're at and help them make a plan to get better. Athletic therapists work in school settings, clinical settings, and professional and recreational sports.
Shoulder blade basically should upperly rotate.
Some of my duties as an athletic therapist are assessment and evaluation of patients, setting them up with a plan, giving them proper therapy, as well as pairing that with proper exercises to help them progress.
You're a quick learner.
Thank you.
A typical day for me, I check my computer, I look at my schedule, I see patients, kind of get a recap on how they're doing, how their last session was, how they recovered. And then I usually do some hands-on manual therapy. And then I also pair everything with exercise.
Slow and controlled. You're gonna rotate out.
Okay.
To work as an athletic therapist in Alberta, it's required that you have a certification in athletic therapy. To apply for a certification, candidates must complete their bachelor's program, hold a valid standard first aid and basic life support, as well as a valid first responder certificate. And you will also need the completion and passing of the national certification exam.
Think about that rotation.
Love it.
Along with holding your certification, you have to maintain CEUs, which is continued education units, to keep up to date with latest research and techniques as far as athletic therapy goes.
This tissue work will feel different. This will feel like a little bit more gritty.
I have certifications in using Graston, which are little metal tools. People sometimes call them the butter knives, but it helps with fascial restrictions. I'm also certified in BFR use, and BFR stands for blood flow restriction training.
And then you tell us when it starts to get really hard.
Okay.
The skills you need to be an athletic therapist are really good hands-on manual therapy skills. You have to have a little bit of an outgoing personality, a lot of patient interactions, being relatable I think is really important. It's a very active job, and I think you need to have some physical fitness and endurance. And just an overall care and passion to be in this profession and to do what you want to do. There are many advancement opportunities as an athletic therapist. I think the first couple of years it's really important to get experience wherever that may be. And if you want to advance becoming an assistant athletic therapist or a head athletic therapist if it's a sporting event, or if you want to run your own clinic, I think there's lots of opportunity there.
And then think about pinching my finger right there. Yeah, nice.
The most satisfying part of my job is being the best part of somebody's day and them telling me how happy they are to come through here, that they get really good care, and getting positive feedback from people and building those relationships with people is the best part of what I do.
Let's go up, overhead.
Yeah, I feel it about there.
If you are good with your hands, you have an outgoing personality, and really want to take care of people, then this profession's for you.
For this career to work out for you, you must have physical stamina, flexibility, and creative thinking skills. An ability to work in stressful situations with sensitivity to the needs of others is also essential. If this interests you, then consider treating yourself to a career as an athletic therapist. Extend your knowledge about this occupation, including training requirements and salary ranges, in the occupational profile on the ALICE website. While you're there, check out some related occupations, including kinesiologist, massage therapist, and recreation therapist. Explore the possibilities. Go to alice.alberta.ca.